Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create weekly schedule using Google Calendar. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, you just have to log in your Google account, and once you log in your Google account, just click on this icon. Here you will find the calendar. Click here, then you need to go to this right top corner. Here we have to set it on week so that we can easily make our weekly schedule. And once you done that, go to this plus sign, click here, and then you will find the option create new calendar. Click there, and then here you can name anything you want. So I will name it anything such as weekly schedule. So once you're done with this, just click on create calendar, and now we are going to make our weekly schedule. How we can do that? Now first of all, just let me back it, and here we are going to hit left click on this empty area. Then you will get this option. Here we can easily name our task or event. So this is going to be event in my case, so I will name it as class. And then here you will find the option for time and date. You just have to select it. So it will going to be 22, and I will select time, suppose this is okay. So and once you done that, just hit on save. If you want to change anything here, you can go ahead, but in my case this is going to be as it is, so I will just now hit on save. So as you can see, our event is now added. Now let me add some more. So my schedule is done, and if I want to print it, I can do that as well. Here is an option as settings. Just click here, and then you will find the option print, and then you will see these options. If you want to change anything, you can do that, but in my case I'm going to be printed on full color, so I can just select it and now hit on print. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can make weekly schedule using Google Calendar. Now it's your turn to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.